So how can you edit voice only in Capcut on the iPad? Let's get started. So if you are new on the Foxtecc channel, make sure you are part of it by subscribing so you never miss anything important. Okay, so there are more ways or things that you should know about it, right? First of all, if you import some videos which have the voice or somebody speaks in those videos, it is possible to select the clip, and from the options below, we have the ability to extract the audio like that, and you'll be able to specifically edit the audio of that clip, right? So you can just extract it like that, and more things are going to be available, right? So from this audio layer, you have the ability to isolate the voice, right? And you can decide to remove the voice or keep the voice, right? So you have the ability to just keep the voice, it's going to perform the change like that. And now you're going to end up with the audio layer, which is just the voice. And you have the ability to change or apply some effects, edit the voice only through the Capcut, right? So keep in mind that some of these features may not be part of the free version of Capcut, so it kind of depends on how much you want to use this stuff, but it can be done through the Capcut application directly on an iPad or even other mobile devices. So let me know if it worked for you. Most definitely subscribe for tutorials and videos similar to this one, and I'll see you later in the upcoming videos. So stay tuned and I'll see you later.